How to set up Directv stream on smart TV. Now in this video, I'll show you how you can get or install and get started using Directv stream using your smart television. Now it's going to be case to case basis. So say for example, your smart television has an app store like Google Play. You can definitely download Directv and movie streaming from Google Play on your smart TV. However, if this is not available, then what you want to have to do is to navigate through your smart TV settings to allow unknown apps or unknown sources files. You can either go into developer options or you can go under settings or system by going into add-ons and allowing unknown sources. Once you've done that, use any browser available on your smart TV and just simply type in DirectTV APK. Now scroll down, and then what you want to have to choose from here is from up to down link. This is where you can download DirecTV stream using your smart television. Click this link and you will automatically be redirected into the download option. Install it like usual and you should be able to use it. And that is how you set up DirecTV stream on smart TV.